Tap on the TacTilesApp icon. It opens to the Information Manager. Add information by tapping the plus sign. Enter your student's name or the name of the subject or lesson you want to have saved. Add all pertinent information, then tap Save. Note: the email is live. Teachers may use it to contact parents directly. Note: the Privacy button in the bottom left column, this allows for confidentiality. But no new information may be added when privacy is on. Students often like to personalize their page. Point and click to take a new picture, or choose a picture from your saved photos. Then tap Save. To begin using the app, tap the Tactiles app icon in the upper right corner. This is the desktop. All the fun happens here. Tap the Word Builder bar at the top to build your customized list. Then, name your list. Double tap the word to snap it together and push it to the right. This is a function allowing words to be saved. Many customized lists may be created and edited. The words within the list can be accessed by tapping the white arrows. In Word Builder, words may be deleted or rearranged. Some of the alphabet letters have two functions. Double tap the A or the Z tile, and they become a blank vowel or blank consonant tile. The yellow Y is a vowel. When double tapped, it will become a consonant Y. The black bar along the top has white function buttons. The far left refresh button deletes all tiles from the desktop. The next button allows for capitalization. The Tile Stacker button comes next. This allows tiles to be stacked on top of each other. Tap to turn it on. This is great for rhyming and phonemic practice. On the right side of the black bar is a crayon. Tap it to turn on the Draw feature. Tap the colored rectangle. Then, tap again to choose your desired color. This allows for spelling words, dividing syllables, marking vowels, and handwriting practice too. To erase, tap the eraser. Tap the crayon again to turn off the Draw feature. The ear represents the phonemic awareness palette. These blank tiles can be used to help a student learn to hear all the sounds in a word. M, ah, mm, ah, mm, ah, mm, ah, mm, I, mm. Fin. The phonemic awareness palette is important for teaching the foundational skills necessary for spelling and reading. Tap the silhouette at the far right to return to the Information Manager page. A lesson or student must be selected before tapping the TacTilesApp icon in order to return to the desktop. TacTilesApp provides the phonic tiles needed in the English language. They are stored in the palettes. P is for prefixes. B is for blends. D is for digraphs. SP is for silent partners. VT for vowel teams. The EIY palette. R is for bossy R. E for endings. S is for suffixes. These colorful tiles allow students to see how words are built in order to more fully understand the logic of our language. Touching and seeing phonetic patterns in words helps to spell and read. Tactile's app also has a palette called Cymbals. These may be used to help with pronunciation, comprehension, or clarity. We have included additional symbols that we use every day, as well as symbols for syllable types too. Note the I in the upper right corner of each palette. This is added information and tips for each palette. Tactile's app helps to ensure that the phonemes are easy to understand. When you double tap on an individual tile, some definitions and three-word examples will pop up using that sound. Tactile's app makes it easy to discover how the English language works.